CAF and PD Minister and Chairman of Cabinet Subcommittee L. Susindro has called upon the people to support the initiatives of the state government in enhancing Loktak Lake as an alluring tourist spot and in mitigating the silting of Loktak Lake due to deposition of large amount of sediments from various rivers, resulting to frequent flood in catchment areas. He made a statement yesterday during an inspection of Fumdi removal work, which is currently being undertaken by Loktak Development Authority. Speaking on the sideline of the inspection, Minister L. Susindro said that the sediments and garbage drained by the rivers flowing into the Loktak Lake have made the lake shallow, making the adjoining area prone to frequent flood. He further said the government plans to dig up a canal around the lake which will filter out the sediments and garments while letting the water flow to Loktak Lake via Laymetal. Minister also expressed confidence that with the completion of this canal and a ring road around Loktak Lake, the lake can be restored to its pristine state and will be able to become an attractive tourist spot.
One of the boundary boundary the siltation laiba jason namdo adugi hojiki hariba jagasi tunghalaga adugi stream dum chelangi bodo chahi budi ki dum LDN amuk siltation me amdum pokhalaga mapan du hapu boundary muk semakada hawa chawrongi jo ko yoji na semba hore aduna hawa chawgi joju soina mai pak ni lowe masisna ko yi Imphal da flood ki maroina damage sima harakadoi mayamna tourist oina Just like seeing my arms to this one, like see, I told from the Satos single problem to live in to this way, just this over to this destination. Nama, and this already in as a partner on a world minister, division Makada, when it was the river there. But see, for showing my park and Yaba, Adumba, Asamale.